warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Halo guys, kali ini kita akan belajar tentang asking and giving suggestion to do or not to do something. Okay guys, asking and giving suggestion to do or not to do something divided for. The first is definition or definisi in Indonesia. The second is social function or fungsi sosial atau tujuan. And the third is structure or language feature. And the fourth is expression, asking and giving suggestion and response. There are two, accepting and refusing. Next, I want to explain about definition of suggestion. Suggest means to present a suggestion, that is to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for consideration. Suggestions are abstract and can be in form of solutions, advice, plan, and an idea. Suggest means to propose a plan. It can be accepted or refused. Next, I want to explain about social function. Suggestion is a way to give an advice to tell what should someone do in order to face a problem. The social function of suggestions are: the first, to help someone who needs any advice by giving our personal opinion. The second, to help in deciding something. And the third, to help someone's problem. Next, I want to explain about the structure of suggestion. Giving suggestion with explanation. For example, the sentence. The first sentence it is called about suggestion. You should join the English course. And the second sentence, this is explanation or reason. You can get a good score in your next test. I would like to explain about the structure of giving suggestion. This is dialogue of giving suggestion. There are two characters, person. The first character by Ari, and the second characters by Vera. Okay, Ari says, always get bad score in English. Vera, why don't you join an English course? The tutor will help you understand the lesson. Ari says, oh, you are right. I'll try it. Okay, I would like to explain about this dialogue. Ari says, always get bad score in English. This is the problem. And Vera says, why don't you join an English course? The tutor will help you understand the lesson. This sentence is called about giving suggestion. And Ari says, you are right, I'll try it. It is of the response, maybe this response of accepting suggestion. Okay, next. Guys, I would like to explain about the structure of giving suggestion. How to form suggestion. This is as below of the giving suggestion. For example, you had better blah blah blah. You had better not blah blah blah. You should blah blah blah. You shouldn't blah blah blah. You ought to blah blah blah. You could blah blah blah. Why don't I would blah blah blah. If I were you, I would blah blah blah. If I were you, I would not blah blah blah. Next, the question word about how about blah blah blah. What about blah blah blah. Okay guys, look at the example structure of giving suggestion. You had better study harder before the exam start. The second, you had better not each switch or you will get taught it. The third, you should study hard. The fourth, you should not enter the room without permission. The fifth, you ought to study harder. The sixth, you could borrow the book at library. The seventh, why don't I would study harder? The eighth, if I were you, I would study harder. The ninth, if I were you, I would not cheat for the exam. The use of how about and what about. The example, for example, is how about joining a study group? The second, what about visiting the library? Okay, this is a sentence pattern how to form of suggestion. Look at, I suggest that blah blah blah. We recommend that blah blah blah. I advise that blah blah blah. Plus, this is clause. For example, I suggest that you save your money. The second, we recommend that you meet her as soon as possible. The third, I advise that you stay at home. Okay, next, I would like to expression of asking suggestion. Asking suggestion means Indonesia meminta saran adalah cara seseorang menanyakan saran dalam meminta saran. Adalah cara seseorang menanyakan saran dalam bahasa Inggris ketika mempunyai masalah. Asking suggestion berupa pertanyaan. Oke, di sini ada contoh beberapa asking suggestion. For example, the first, do you have any ideas? The second, can you give me any suggestion to solve the problems? The third, what should I do? The fourth, would you mind giving me suggestion? The fifth, would you like to give me any advices? Okay guys, the second, the expression about giving suggestion. Giving suggestion in Indonesia, memberi saran, adalah cara seseorang memberikan saran kepada orang lain dalam bahasa Inggris. Giving suggestion biasanya berupa kalimat positif. Contoh giving suggestion. Yang pertama, I suggest you to plus verb 1. For example, the sentence is, I suggest you to go doctor. The second, I advise you to plus verb 1. For example, the sentence, I advise you to breakfast before going to school. And the third, you should plus verb 1. The example, you should download Green Day song. Oke guys, di sini Bu Titi akan memberikan contoh dialog yang menggunakan asking dan giving suggestion between A and B. A, I have task from my teacher. I must search a song in English. Do you have any ideas? B says, oh, it's okay. Let's search in internet. A says, I know, but what song must download? B says, Green Day song in those album. That must be great. A says, oh, that's a good idea. Thanks for your advice. B says, never mind. Oke, di sini yang termasuk ke dalam giving, asking, and giving suggestion adalah berupa kalimat tanya, yaitu do you have any ideas? Maka direspon adalah it's okay. Kemudian ada kata yang lain yang menggunakan asking, yaitu what song must download? Maka direspon adalah that's a good idea. Okay, I want to explain about language feature on Indonesia is ciri-ciri kebahasaan. Ciri kebahasaan yang pertama yaitu asking for suggestion dengan menggunakan kalimat tanya. Ciri-cirinya yaitu ada tanda kalimat terakhir ada tanda-tandanya, yaitu yang pertama, what do you think I should do? Kemudian yang kedua, what can I do? Number 3, do you have any suggestion? Number 4, what do you suggest or recommend? Number 5, I need your suggestion. Number 7, should I? Number 8, can you recommend? And number 9, give me suggestion please. Well guys, I want to explain about language feature of the second, giving suggestion. For example, you should blah blah blah. Why don't you blah blah blah? How about blah blah blah? You could blah blah blah. I think you should blah blah blah. If I were you, I would blah blah blah. You had better blah blah blah. You ought to blah blah blah. I suggest blah blah blah. And let's blah blah blah. Oke guys, di sini Bu Titi akan menjelaskan tentang language feature atau ciri-ciri kebahasaan pada respon yang accepting suggestion atau yang menerima. Sifatnya adalah positif. Di antaranya adalah that's a good suggestion or idea. Alright, or good, or okay. That sounds like a good suggestion. Oh yes, you are right. That's interesting. Sounds good. Thanks for the suggestion. I think about it. Why not? Yes, I guess I should. Yes, I will. Okay, next. The language feature or ciri-ciri kebahasaan yang merupakan respon yaitu refusing suggestion atau menolak pada suatu saran. Yang pertama yaitu no, I don't think so. I don't think we should. No, let's blah blah blah. I think I can't do that. Well guys, setelah Bu Titi menjelaskan materi tentang asking and giving suggestion to do or not to do something, baiklah di sini let's students activity on video, check it out. Happy watching by Melanie and Anggita.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi, Miss Tiki and my friends. We would like to practice dialogue speaking about suggestion to do something. The title is Cafe and Prom Night. We introduce with our groups. My name is Lisa, me as Evina, and this is my partner.
My name is Ania Maulidia as Azalia.
Happy enjoy! Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh, Zalia! Long time no see you. How are you, girl? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? I'm good. Why you look so confused?
I want to go to cafe. Any recommendation?
You should to go Magic Cafe. This food is so delicious.
What do you recommend me in cafe?
You will try chocolate pancake and milkshake.
Oh, when will be from night? What good foods are there? Do you have any suggestion?
I suggest you wear a white dress because you look so beautiful with it.
Really? Okay, thanks.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, we think that's all enough. Now speaking about suggestion to do something, the title Cafe and Prom Night. Thanks for attention and see you!